Dear students, welcome to the online classes of chemistry. So, today we will start a line spectrum of hydrogen. Today we will start the line spectrum of hydrogen. So, here in line spectrum of hydrogen, so the hydrogen gas is enclosed in a discharge tube, which is fitted with cathode and anode, and high potential is applied and the pressure is reduced. The hydrogen molecule dissociates into hydrogen atom, and this hydrogen atom, it undergoes excited state and it emits light, and when this emitted light is subjected for dispersion, so here it produces a spectrum. So in the resulting spectrum, so many that is sharp lines are found. So here in the resulting spectrum, the group of sharp lines are obtained, and among this group of sharp lines, one of the group is found in the visible region, and that group is called as a Balmer series. So it was discovered by a scientist called as Balmer in 1885. So I will show here the diagrammatic representation. Look here, students. Look here. Again we have to use the same discharge tube. It is vacuum pump. Look here, and here it is prism. It is prism. So here, when this light, it undergoes it is hydrogen gas prism. So look here. Like this, you will get a line spectrum here. Look here, students, I will explain once again. Look here, hydrogen gas is taken in the discharge tube, which is fitted with cathode and anode, and when a high potential is applied and the pressure is reduced, the hydrogen molecule dissociate into hydrogen atom, and this hydrogen atom absorbs this high potential and it undergoes excited state and it emits light, and when it emits light and this light is passed through the prism, and when it is passed through prism, so it produces spectrum. So in the resulting spectrum, a group of sharp lines are produced. In the resulting spectrum here, a group of sharp lines are produced, and among these sharp lines, one of the such group is there, and that group is found in the visible region. ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ visible region, and that group is called as a Balmer series, and this series is called as a Balmer series. Balmer series, which is found in the visible region, And students, hydrogen also emits the radiations in the ultraviolet region as well as in the infrared region. This much you have to write here. And here the spectral lines were discovered by many scientists, and the name was given by the scientist. For example, Lyman series given by Lyman, Paschen series given by a scientist called as Paschen, and then Brackett series given by a scientist Brackett, and Fund series given by a scientist called as Fund and Balmer. Like this, that is the 5 series are, that is 1 series in visible line, and 1 series in ultraviolet, and 3 in the infrared regions. So Balmer series are found in the visible region. So this we can see. So, and this Balmer series, it uses 4 prominent lines, and these 4 prominent lines are called as H alpha, H beta, and H gamma. So students, remember, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ, ಹೈ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೊದಲಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸರಿ. ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಲಂತ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಿನ ಇದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್, ಹೈ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಒಡ್ಡದ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಹೈ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತದೆ. ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳು ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಲೈಟ್ ಎಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಲೈಟ್ ಎಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ಲೈಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಸಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಲೈಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಸಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಸಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ಪ್ರಿಸಮ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೊ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಲೈನ್ಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ, ಗೋಚರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಮರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಗೋಚರವಾಗತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ದಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ 3 ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಸೀರೀಸ್ಗಳು ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾರೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ in a discharge tube. In a discharge tube, a high potential is applied. High potential is applied, and the pressure is reduced. High potential is applied and the pressure is removed. Hydrogen molecule dissociates into hydrogen atom. It dissociates into hydrogen atom and it undergoes excited state and emits light. It emits light, and this emitted light is subjected for dispersion by passing through it suitable prism by passing through it a suitable prism. Look here students, hydrogen gas is enclosed or taken in a discharge tube which has that is cathode and anode, need not write. A high potential is applied and the pressure is reduced, hydrogen molecule dissociates into hydrogen atom and it undergoes excited state and emits light, and this emitted light is subjected for dispersion. So by passing through it a suitable prism. So in the resulting spectrum, look here students, in the resulting spectrum, group of sharp lines are obtained. Group of sharp lines are obtained. Among this group, one such group which is found in the visible region called Balmer series. So it was given by Balmer in 1885. So it is about, and the remaining, look here students, in the resulting spectrum, group of sharp lines are obtained. Among this group, one such group which is found in the visible region, called Balmer series. And hydrogen also emits radiation in the ultraviolet region and also in the infrared region. Look here. I think it is clear here. So hydrogen also emits radiation in the ultraviolet region as well as in the infrared region. Look here. It is about this hydrogen spectrum. So you need not draw this diagram, just diagram that is for explanation I draw. So how the emission takes place. So now here it is about hydrogen spectrum. Look here students, when the pressure is reduced, hydrogen gas emits, that is hydrogen molecule dissociate into hydrogen atom and then it undergoes excited state because by absorbing energy, and then it emits light, and when this light is passed through a suitable prism, so it produces spectrum. In the resulting spectrum, one of the sharp lines in the resulting spectrum, a group of sharp lines are obtained, and among these sharp lines, one of the line is found in that is a visible region, and that is called as a Balmer series. It is about, and now let us see that is the other, that is scientists discovered the other lines, other series. So who are those scientists? Look here. Spectral series N1, N2, and here the spectral regions. Look here, scientist. Look here, students. Here, the first, that is line, was given by a scientist called as a Lyman series. It was given by a scientist Lyman. And here I will tell that is what is N1, and here N1 is 1 and N2 is equal to 2, 3, 4. That is N2 is equal to N1 plus 1. N1 plus 1. So this Lyman series is found in ultraviolet region. Look here. I explained previously that a sharp line, a group of a sharp line found in the visible region, that is called as a Balmer series, and other hydrogen also emits radiation in ultraviolet region and also as well as in the infrared region. So hydrogen emits ultraviolet region, the radiations in the ultraviolet region, that is not observed, because so it is here the ultraviolet rays we cannot see with the naked eyes. So therefore it was given by a scientist called as a Lyman, and it is called as a Lyman series. And then Balmer series, N1 value is equal to 2 and here N2 is equal to 3, 4, 5 dash dash. Means it is N1, here N1 is 1 and N2 is N1 plus 1, means that is 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. And it is this Balmer series is found in the visible region. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಏನಾದಲ್ಲ ಗೋಚರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಗೋಚರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ತಿಳಿತು, ನೇರಳಾತೀತ ಕಿರಣಗಳಂತೇನು ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು, ತಿಳಿತು, ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಮೂರನೇದು, ಸೊ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಷನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. Paschen series, PASCHEN, Paschen series, N1 is equal to 3, it is 4, 5, 6 dash dash. It is found in infrared region. And then fourth one, again that is bracket series. 4, 5, 6, 7 dash dash. It is also found in infrared. And fifth one, fund series. 5, 6, 7, 8 dash dash. Infrared region. Look here, students. These are all spectral series which are found in the different spectral regions. So Lyman ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ ಅದು ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾರೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಮನ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ, ಅವನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸೀರೀಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಬಾಮರ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ, ಸೊ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಮರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಷನ್, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫಂಡ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು 3 ಮಂದಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾರೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಅವುಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವುಗಳ ರೀಸನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. Then here remember this N1 is equal to, so it is 1 for Lyman series, 2 for Balmer series, 3 for Paschen series and 4 for bracket and 5 for fund series. But here this N1 is any integer, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and N2 is equal to N1 plus 1 and then that is N1 plus 2, like this. Here the value is different. N1 means that is, if you put that is here 1, it is 2 and here it is 1, it is 3, like this that is 2, 3, 4, like this that is, or you may write that is n2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 as it is. One more than that of n1. It is an integer. It is a spectral that is reason where n1 and n2 are the spectral regions where you find the electrons. And remember students, the wave number and the wavelength can be of any spectral region can be calculated by using an equation called Rydberg formula or Rydberg equation. ಇವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲದರದ್ದು ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇವುಗಳ ವೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದರದ್ದು ವೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ನಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಡ್ಬರ್ಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಮರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ 4 ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ, ಎಚ್ ಬೀಟಾ, ಎಚ್ ಗಾಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಚ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವು 4 ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಕಲರ್ಗಳೇನದಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ರೀಸನ್? ಯಾವ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ? ಲೈಮನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್, ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾರೆಡ್? ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್? ಒಂದು ದ ಬಾಮರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. It is about the spectral series and n1 and n2 and spectral reason values. So n1 ಮತ್ತು n2 ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ಆಟಮ್ ಅದ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅದ, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅದ, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಅದ, ಇದು n1, ಇವು ಉಳ್ಕಿದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದಲ್ಲ n2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು. n2 ಅದರದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ n1 n2 ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಯಿತು. Look here. The wave number or the wavelength of any spectral line, of any spectral line in any region, ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದ ರೀಸನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ series, any region or series can be calculated by using Rydberg formula, or it is also called as Rydberg equation. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು Rydberg equation ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ Rydberg equation ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ Rydberg ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನ್ಯೂ ಬಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಪಾನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು r ಇಂಟು 1 ಅಪಾನ್ n1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಪಾನ್ n2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ by this we can calculate the wave number or wavelength of any spectral line in any region or in any series. ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದಿಂದ ಏನೋದಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ ರೀಸನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೀರೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ಏನೋದಲ್ಲ, ವೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಬಾರ್ ತೊಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಪಾನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ where R is a constant called Rydberg constant. Its value is, look here students, 10,9,677 per centimeter. In a few books it is given as 10,9,678. 10,9,678 in some book. It writes 77 or 8 per centimeter, or 10,9,67700 per meter. You may use any one. So we are using almost per meter, because the light that is we are taking C is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Hence that is we are using almost this, or you may use this. So it is a Rydberg constant, Rydberg value. Is clear? Then here, so it is we are going to calculate. So note, there are 4 prominent lines are found in Balmer series. That is H alpha, remember, so it is H alpha, it is almost that is red in color, H alpha almost that is red in color. Second one, H alpha beta, H beta, it is near about that is bluish green or green, bluish green or green. And third one, alpha beta, H gamma. So it is in few books it is given as indigo color, or in few book it is given as blue violet or indigo. And fourth one is H delta, so it is violet. These 4 are the prominent lines which are found in the Balmer series. Balmer series ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಇವು 4 ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಗಳು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವುಗಳ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇವುಗಳ ವೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಈಗ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೋರ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಟುಮಾರೋ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಫ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.